Hello, and welcome to another episode of Essential English for Conversations. I'm Dr. Priscilla, a native English speaker, and I live in the United States.
Welcome to another minute of knowledge. Today, I'll share the term artificial. This term originates from the Latin word artificialis. It means something made or produced by human beings rather than occurring naturally. In essence, anything that isn't from the wild, untouched by human hands, can be termed as artificial. Picture a bustling cityscape with towering skyscrapers. That's artificial. Now imagine a serene forest, untamed and thriving. That's natural. The contrast couldn't be more stark, could it? But remember, artificial isn't always negative. It's the driving force behind many of our technological advancements and modern conveniences. So, the next time you use something, take a moment to ponder. Is it artificial or natural? Don't forget to like, comment, and hit that subscribe button for more enlightening content.